Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to back up a WordPress website. Backing up your WordPress website can be very helpful if you lose your website or if you decide to reset it and want to keep your old WordPress websites saved. Now, to notify you, in order to access a lot of features that I'm gonna use in this website and I'm gonna tell you about, you're gonna have to pay for a WordPress subscription that costs $40, like installing plugins and activating it, and even starting a WooCommerce website. Now, I didn't pay for this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you'll be able to complete this task successfully. Now let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to install a backup plugin. Use Drafts Plus or all-in-one WP migration. And to do that, you're gonna have to access your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering your account credentials. After that, you're gonna be directed to your account's dashboard. From this right here, go to the left sidebar and click on plugins. And here, look for all-in-one migration, WP migration, and search for it. This is the one. Now, like I said before, you have to have a paid subscription on WordPress to be able to upgrade and activate plugins. Just click on it and follow the steps and the prompts needed. Now, for the second step, is to configure backup settings. Go to settings right here, click on it on the left sidebar. And when you install the Updrafts Plus, you're gonna be able to see its options right here. Select storage option like Google Drive or Dropbox. And for the third step is to run a backup. Click Backup now to create a full backup of your site. And for the fourth and final step is to verify the backup. Ensure the backup files are accessible in storage locations. And for additional tips, schedule automatic backups for irregular updates and test restoring backups to ensure reliability. And that's it. That's how you back up a WordPress website. It's very easy and very simple. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.